How to get free Instagram followers without any websites. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get free Instagram followers without using any websites. Now you can use websites, that is an option, but it's not safe as you have to put in your details in the websites and the websites might might steal your data. So I do not recommend you guys using websites, but I will teach you few tips and tricks which you can use to increase your followers. Now to increase your followers, what you can do is the simplest trick that you can use is start following people and get followed back. Now that is the way most people increase their followers and it's also the safest way. Start posting more and start following more people and just get follow backs. After you get the follow backs, if you really are conscious about your followers and following number, you can just unfollow them later on. Now that is the quickest and but the safest way. And yeah, I recommend you guys doing that. Now you can also head over to your profile and make sure that your profile is attractive enough so that people will follow you. Now that's much more psychological trick than any other third-party trick. So yeah, you can use those tricks to just increase your followers. Now you can make a really incredible bio which people will read and want to follow you. You can add more posts, you can add music, banners, and so much more. And yeah, you can even add your personal details here. And after you do so, people will want to follow you, and that is basically how you get free Instagram followers without using any websites. And yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.